Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your PC not lag on a CapCut PC. So, you're going to go to menu and you're going to go to settings and you're going to go to performance. And if you have all these on, just turn it off and then press save. Once you're done, you're not going to select on anything. You're going to then select modify, go to performance and turn on proxy. And you're going to select the lowest resolution possible and you're going to press save. This is going to help a lot when you edit, and it's going to make the resolution not that great on the player so that you'll edit faster, but don't worry, when you export it, it's on a different resolution. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.